starts to sing, sing, sing. When the little blue at the bottom of the dell starts to ring, ding, ding. When the little blue clock in the middle of his world starts to tune to the moon up above, it is nature that is all, simply telling us to fall in love. And that's why the birds do it, the bees do it. Well, hardly there, Pluckers Other Sore Fingers again with you with something completely different for once. A very old song from Cole Porter called Let's Do It, Let's Fall in Love. Okay, could sing a long song. So I'm in standard tuning, no capos, and I'm doing it in the key of A. Okay, I think the original version by Cole Porter is in the key of B flat. So if you want to play along with one of his original recordings, which you can find on YouTube of this song, just put a capo on the first fret, and play everything I'm about to show you, one key up. Okay, so let's get to it. So it starts off with the way this is my arrangement of the song for a guitar. Obviously it's normally played on a piano. It's this little riff to start the song off. I've included this intro. Obviously the main part of the song is the catchy bit which comes next, but this is part of the song, so I know some people would want it included, so here it is. Okay, it's the sort of you could call it an intro. I'm not sure what the proper word for it is. It's not a conventional intro by modern day standards, but the old way they used to do it in those days. Okay, so first little riff is okay. What I'm doing there, I'm starting on the 5th string, the A string, on the 4th fret, down to the 2nd fret, open 5th string, then back to the 2nd fret, 5th string, up to the 4th fret, 5th string, so down and up. Okay, then the 2nd fret of the 4th string, the D string, so up to the 4th fret on the D string, and then the 2nd fret on the 3rd string. So all together, and then we play an A chord, and then an E7, which is an E major chord with the 3rd finger off. Open up the 4th string, so you've only got the 2 fingers there. 2nd on the 5th, 1st on the 3rd, strum, and then back to the A chord. So the whole beginning bit is okay, bit of a pause, and then we play this chord, which is an E augmented. Okay, what I'm doing there is I'm barring the 3rd string and the 2nd string at the 1st fret with my 1st finger. 2nd finger is playing the 2nd on the 4th, the D string, and my 3rd finger is playing the 3rd fret of the 5th string, just going from 5 down to 2. Okay, that's all the strings you need to play, 5 down to 2, the A string down to the B string. So the whole intro is again little pause, and then this chord, when the sort of singing comes in, when the F sharp minor. I'm playing an F sharp minor simple chord. You could play a bar chord if you want, but I'm just playing the simple version, barring the first 3 strings at the 2nd fret, 1st finger, then the 4th fret on the 5th string, and the 4th fret on the 4th string with the pinky and 3rd finger there. 5 down to 1. So when the F sharp minor, little blue bird is E7. That's that same E7 again, E chord with the 3rd finger off. Who has A? Never said a E7 again. Bird. Okay, so let's just do that right from the beginning. this whole bit is basically as you want to sing it. There's no set time as such. It's as you feel it. So if you want to slow it down, speed it up, you do what you want with it. Okay. Word, and then we're then we go starts to. Sing is the A chord. Now for this I'm playing. There's a little sequence of chords here which is quite quick. So I'm playing a lazy A. I'm barring the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings at the 2nd fret with my first finger. Not playing the top E string, just the 4th, 5th string, 4th string, 3rd string and 2nd string. 5 down to 2. Okay, so when the little bird who has never said a word starts to sing, that sing is the A, lazy A chord. Sing, then we go right up. Sing, sing, spring, spring. That spring, spring is an F augmented. So it's like the E augmented that you played earlier, but up 1 fret. Okay, 2nd fret barring the 3rd and 2nd strings. 3rd fret, 4th string, 4th fret, 5th string, 5 down to 2. So it's A, sing, spring, back to F sharp minor, spring, and then back to the F augmented again. So it's A, F augmented, F sharp minor, F augmented, and then back to the A again. So from the beginning. When the little bluebird who has never said a word starts to sing spring, spring. And basically we repeat that whole thing again for the 2nd line, okay? The E augmented. When the F sharp minor, little bluebell at the bottom of the dell starts to ring, ding, ding. So you do 2 lots of that, okay? So from the beginning, from the very beginning. When the little bluebird who has never said a word starts to sing, spring, spring. When the little bluebell in the bottom of the dell starts to ring, ding, ding. Okay, so as far as we've got. Then we go. Now we do the F augmented again. When the B minor 7. I'm playing a B minor bar chord there with pinky off. Okay. Little blue. Right, a little. So it's that F augmented. When the B minor 7. Little blue clock. Okay. So that's B minor 7th, and then we do a B minor 7th flat 5, which is this shape. It's like a diminished shape, but up in a string. So first finger playing the 2nd on the 5th, 2nd finger playing the 2nd on the 3rd, 3rd finger playing the 3rd on the 4th string, the D string, and pinky playing the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. 5 down to 2. So that goes spring, then the F augmented. When the B minor 7th, little blue. It's almost a chord a word. Okay. When the little blue clerk is A. I'm playing a lazy A there, or you play normal A if you want. So that's F augmented. When the B minor 7th, little B minor 7th flat 5, blue A. In the B7, middle of his E7 word starts a tune to the moon. This is an E diminished or a G diminished, depending on how you want to call it. Okay, and again it's like that shape you had for the B minor 7 flat 5, but down a string. So I'm playing the 2nd on the 2nd fret of the 4th, first finger, second on the second with the second finger, third on the third with the third finger, and third on the top E string with pinky. 4 down to 1. Right. You could call that a B flat diminished, you call it a G diminished, you could call it an E diminished, whatever you want to call it. Okay. So let's do from that bit where it goes at the end of the ding ding bit. So ring ding ding. Then we do the F diminished, F augmented again, sorry. When the B minor 7, little B minor 7 flat 5, little A Clark in the B7, middle of his E7 world, starts at A, tune up to the, then this G diminished, moon up E7 above. Okay, so let's go from the beginning. When the little bluebird, who has never said a word, starts to ring, spring, spring. When the little bluebell in the middle of the dell starts to ring, ding, ding. When the little blue cloud in the middle of his world starts to tune to the moon up above. Okay, E7 there. Then we do the E augmented again. It is A, nature that is A7. That's that A chord with an open third string this time. Okay, it is nature that is as A, so E. Get me diminished and augmented. E augmented. It is A, nature that is A7, or simply D, telling all to 4, D minor, in A. And if you want, you could go a quick E7 back to A. At that point, you don't have to, it's just an optional bit there. And then we go in with the old E augmented again, and that is why. Okay, and then we go into the actual catchy bit. Okay, so that's that bit that goes, and that is why. Right, that, you know, that bit that goes to that bit. Okay, what is it? Let me get the words right. Yeah. That's why, sorry, birds do it, isn't it? So that's why birds do it, yeah. So it goes, why birds do it, bees do it. We'll be doing that in the next lesson, okay, the actual catchy main song bit, okay. So once again, we'll just go through this intro of the song. Okay, so you can play it as fast or as slow as you want. It's one of those sort of things, okay, at your own pace. So when the little bluebird, who has never said a word, starts to sing, spring, sing. When the little bluebell at the bottom of the dell starts to ring, ding, ding. When the little blue cloud in the middle of his world starts to tune to the moon up above, it is nature that is all, simply telling us to fall in love. And that's why birds do it, bees do it. Okay, into the next part of the lesson. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls. Something slightly different for you, and some of you are probably not interested in it, but there are a few people out there that like doing this sort of stuff, so let's vary it a bit, shall we? So see you in the next part 2 of this song. Okay, bye for now.